Ever tell yourself that you will do your makeup in 5 minutes and 20 minutes later you're still blending and trying to get your base right? Same here. I also used to be in the same situation, but I have created a 3-minute makeup routine for myself. I'm going to share it with you, and this is actually what I do when I'm going out for work or when I'm late. I skip foundation most days. Instead, I go with a light BB cream or tinted moisturizer. You can even use your regular moisturizer mixed with a drop of concealer. Just even out your skin tone. No need to hide everything. This takes less than a minute and your skin still looks like skin. If you only have time for one product, make it a blush. I'm using a creamy lipstick as both blush and as a lip tint. Because who has time for multiple products? You can dab the lipstick on your cheeks, on your lips, maybe even your eyelids, and suddenly you look alive. Now we'll curl our eyelashes and we will use the mascara. Now you can also show a little love for your brows here. Just brush them up with clear gel or even a bit of aloe vera gel. I'm going to use the mascara itself for my eyebrows so that I can get a little bit of color as well on my eyebrows. And that's it. A realistic 3-minute routine that's actually doable even on your busiest mornings. If you love this simple everyday makeup, hit the subscribe button. I post more no-stress beauty routines every week. Comment below what's your one go-to makeup product when you're running late. I might feature your answer in my next video.